For this procedure, we will be replacing the control box on the Seismic series recliner chair. The tools required for this procedure are as follows. First, flip the chair forward so you can access the bottom of the chair. Along the back side of the chair as shown, you will need to locate and disconnect the wiring cluster of plugs. This will allow you to gain better access to the control box for removal. Tip the chair in a position which will allow you to remove the backing of the chair. Locate the two sliding ports and push in the locking pins to release the backing of the chair. Slightly pull upward to remove the backing of the chair and set aside. With access to the bottom of the chair and all the wiring unplugged from the control box, remove the two screws from the back of the base that secure the control box to the chair. Facing the front part of the chair and right above the cushion, remove the hook and loop straps that are securing the wires to the chair by removing the staples. This will allow the wiring to be free. When the wires are free, feed the wiring through the opening access and pull the wiring from the back side. Now the control box should be free for removal. Install the new control box by screwing the control box to the wooden baseboard as shown. After the control box has been properly installed, reconnect all wiring to their proper connectors and make sure all wires are properly connected and secured. Then reattach the backing of the chair by relining the slots and pushing down the backing of the chair, making sure the tabs lock. This will make sure the backing is secured. Reattach the unplugged wire connectors to the correct labeled wire connectors. Finally, attach the backing flap to the bottom of the base.